And new tonight, after the CDC announced that quarantine guidelines have been reduced to 7 to 10 days instead of the original 14, the CCISD district has announced they follow the same guidelines. After speaking with local health authorities and studying the new guidance, CCISD school officials are revising their close contact quarantine guidance to 10 days. That took effect today. It's important to note the updated guidance is only for potentially exposed individuals, not individuals who have tested positive for COVID.